Hi, in today's topic, we'll be discussing some very important frequently asked questions, that is FAQs, on Wider Health TPA, that is our third party administrator. So, hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav, and without wasting any further time, let us straight away start our FAQs. Now, these FAQs are very important that you need to keep in mind or you need to understand with respect to your insurance claims. Starting with the first point. What is the procedure to avail cashless facility? Friends, customer needs to drop into a Wider Health Insurance TPA Private Limited network hospital to give a copy of his or her Wider Health Insurance TPA ID card and identity proof at hospital रिसेप्शन मीन्स उनको इस टीपीए के नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में जा कर के अपना वाइडल हेल्थ टीपीए आईडी कार्ड देना पड़ेगा, जिसको हम लोग ई कार्ड भी कहते हैं, और उसके साथ हॉस्पिटल रिसेप्शन पे एक आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ भी देना पड़ेगी. नेक्स्ट, प्री ऑथराइजेशन फॉर्म हैज़ टू बी फिल्ड विच हैज़ 2 पार्ट्स. प्री ऑथराइजेशन फॉर्म के 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं, पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2. Now, part 1 needs to be filled by the patient or the patient's family, and part 2 needs to be filled by the hospital authority, treating doctor. ठीक है? Now, the completely filled form should be mailed to Wider Health Insurance TPA Private Limited. Once pre-authorization form is received by the TPA, the case will be processed within 4 hours. Means once you have given your entire ID proof along with the form, that is part 1 and part 2 form duly filled in, it will be sent to the TPA, and then within 4 hours 4 घंटे के अंदर में it will be processed, and the initial authorization letter that is approved है या rejected है will be emailed back to the hospital by the TPA. प्रोसेस समझ में आ गया? पहले तो आपको नेटवर्क हॉस्पिटल में जाना है, अपना ई कार्ड देना है, आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ देना है, उसके बाद पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 2 फॉर्म भरने हैं. पार्ट 1 आपके द्वारा या आपके फैमिली के द्वारा भरा जाएगा, एंड पार्ट 2 हॉस्पिटल अथॉरिटी के द्वारा या ट्रीटिंग डॉक्टर के द्वारा भरा जाएगा. वंस दीज बोथ एस्पेक्ट्स आर कंप्लीट, दैट नीड्स टू बी ईमेल्ड back to the Wider Health Insurance TPA Private Limited, and within 4 hours it would be processed and they will give you the initial authorization letter, that is either it is approved or it is rejected. Now there are 2 important points to note, which are for planned hospitalization. अगर पहले से planned है कि you need to get admitted to the hospital, pre-authorization form to be sent before 48 hours of hospitalization, which means at least 2 दिन पहले. अगर आपको मालूम है कि मुझे 2 दिन के बाद for whatever purpose you need to get admitted to the hospital, तो आपको 2 दिन पहले ये सारा प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर लेना है, that is 48 hours. And for emergency, in case there is an emergency and you need to get admitted to the hospital, so for pre-authorization form to be sent within 6 hours from the time of admission. तो 6 घंटे के अंदर अंदर आपको एडमिशन के बाद, मतलब once you are admitted, within 6 hours you need to send this pre-authorization form. Next, what is the TAT to process the enhancement? Friends, on the date of discharge, hospital team have to send the final bill with breakup and discharge summary to the TPA. Fine. So important is with breakup and discharge. Next point. After the receipt, within 2 hours, यानी कि 2 घंटे के अंदर अंदर, the enhancement which is as per the policy limits will be processed after deducting the non-medical expenses. जो non-medical expenses होगा, that would be excluded and that would be deducted, and approval letter will be sent to the hospital by email. Now, important point to be noted is that if there is a co-pay, then that has to be paid by the policy holder, and some of the hospitals are preferred to provide network, GIPSA and hospital tariff. If cashless is taken in the hospitals, the final approval will be as per the respective tariffs. So this is applicable for those which are having this kind of PPN. Now, next important point. What is the TAT to process the pre-authorization once shortfall query is responded? So if there is any shortfall query and if it is responded, then within 2 hours the case will be processed. Okay. Now next important point. What is the procedure to cancel the cashless approval? In case if there is a need to cancel the cashless approval, then what is the process? It is very simple. Hospital team needs to send the email or letter to TPA asking them to cancel the approval, and the cancellation letter will be sent to hospital again within 2 hours. So these time frame you need to note down. भगवान ने करे किसी को इसकी ज़रूरत पड़े, बट इन केस इफ समबडी इज इन नीड ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग, देन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एस्पेक्ट्स. सो फॉर योर रेडी रेफरेंस, यू जस्ट नोट इट डाउन और जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस. Now next, is there any time limit to submit the pre-authorization requests? Yes. If it is a planned hospitalization, then the pre-authorization request needs to be sent before 48 hours, as I said before, from the date of admission, and in case of emergency, again within 6 hours from the time of admission. Next, do I need to pay any amount to the hospital while getting discharged for cashless hospitalization? Yes. The policyholder needs to pay the non-medical expenses. Important, non-medical expenses only you have to pay, and the co-pay amount if it is applicable. He or she will need to pay the difference amount, that is difference between the final bill and the approved amount. So suppose approved amount is 100 rupees and final amount is 110 rupees. So difference amount, that is 10 rupees, will have to be paid by you. Clear? Next point. What are the non-medical expenses? So non-medical expenses are, यहाँ बात की थी ना हमने non-medical expenses. So they are like admission fees, registration fees, charges for gloves, for certain kinds of blades, water bed, food and beverages, extra bed, and etc. etc. यहाँ तक clear है? Next important point. Is there any minimum time limit for staying in the hospital? So yes. Minimum 24 hours of hospitalization is mandatory. If not daycare will be discussing subsequently. With active line of treatment is required for cashless treatment. However, there are a few specific elements specified in the policy which can be covered even though the period of hospitalization is less than 24 hours. तो ऐसे कौन कौन से हैं? तो ऐसे हैं डायलिसिस, केमोथेरापी, रेडियोथेरापी, आई सर्जरी, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. Next, what is cashless rejections? You might have noticed that sometimes your cashless facility gets rejected. But what are those important points on which they could cancel your cashless rejection? So this is very important. You just note that rejection will be done as per the policy terms only and coverage. The below are the few examples for rejection. These are: point number 1, if hospitalization is for observation and for investigation purpose. If any particular ailment, disease or treatment is found which is not covered under policy term and condition. If found that the treatment can be done under OPD basis, then also it could be rejected. If found that no active line of treatment is available. If shortfall in the policyholder has not responded within the given turnaround time, that was our 48 hours for pre-authorization, and in case of emergency 6 hours after admission. If policy is invalid and rejection of cashless is not a denial of treatment. Note that this is very important, that rejection of cashless is not a denial of treatment. Later on also you can go with the submission of bills and can go ahead with the reimbursement process. Next, what if the cost exceeds the level of hospitalization insurance cover? It's very simple. In such a situation, the policyholder will be liable to pay the difference amount, as we have discussed earlier. We will inform the hospital about the policyholder's eligible amount, and hospital will recover the amount over and above the credit amount from the policyholder directly. Now next, what is the procedure of reimbursement? Friends, policyholder will need to download the claim form number 9 from their website, that is Vidal Health TPA. Then the claim form contains 4 pages which includes medical certificates also. These medical certificates needs to be filled by the treating doctor with hospital seal and doctor signature. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हॉस्पिटल के सील और डॉक्टर सिग्नेचर के साथ ये मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट को फिल करना है और उसका स्टैम्प चाहिए। द पॉलिसी होल्डर शुड fill the claim form and should attach all the original bills and send a courier to TPA, that is Vital Health, in their respective branches. Okay. Now, important point to note is that the claim documents has to reach the TPA, that is Vital Health Insurance, within the turnaround time as per the insurance company turnaround time. Next, what is the TAT to process the reimbursement claim? Friends, once TPA receives the claim documents, claim will be processed within 21 working days. Okay, so these 21 working days are very important. Next, how does Vital Health Insurance TPA access the claim? Friends, Vital Health Insurance TPA Private Limited will access the validity of the claim based on the documents submitted, validate the policy and validate the treatment undergone and settle the claim within the claim settlement parameters. In case of claim is not adhering with the parameters, the case would be rejected and TPA will correspond you within 7 working days of the claim receipt. Important. If documents are not completed, then TPA will request for the shortfall documents that we have discussed earlier. Now, if claim is rejected, then a rejection letter will be sent. If any bills and receipts are not supported by valid documents, then the claimed amount of that bill will not be processed. Okay. Next, will I get an intimation for my claim status? Obviously, yes. You will be intimated on your claim status to your updated email ID from their database. Next, how can I check my claim status? Very simple. You can log into your account in the web portal of TPA, or you can call to their customer care center to check your claim status. What are the documents that one needs to submit for reimbursement? Now, this is very important. You should submit the entire set of original documents like please note this or take a screenshot. Claim form duly signed, TPA card photocopy, identity proof, Aadhaar card, PAN card, discharge summary with seal and signature of the hospital authority, inpatient's bill, doctor's prescription, pharmacy bills with breakups, इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट्स लाइक MRI हुआ है अगर तो, ECG हुआ है, CT स्कैन, एक्सरे एक्सेट्रा, लैबोरेटरी रिपोर्ट्स, पेड रिसिप्ट्स विथ हॉस्पिटल सील एंड सिग्नेचर एंड हॉस्पिटल रजिस्ट्रेशन कॉपी इफ रिक्वायर्ड. Next, what are shortfall documents that we have discussed earlier? Friends, shortfall documents are nothing but those which are not submitted by the claimant, which is mandatory for further claim process. Next, where and how can I send the shortfall documents? So shortfall documents can be sent to respective TPA at their branch through courier or by walking into the respective branches of the TPA. Next, what is the TAT for submitting the shortfall documents? It is 7 working days from the date of receiving the shortfall query letter. What is daycare surgeries that we have discussed earlier? So daycare surgeries are nothing बट दोज विच डू नॉट रिक्वायर 24 आवर्स ऑफ हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, जिसपे 24 घंटे की हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है, जैसे कि कैटरेक्ट आई सर्जरी, डायलिसिस, किडनी स्टोन रिमूवल, केमोथेरापी, DNC एक्सेट्रा. डे केयर सर्जरीज आर पेएबल और नॉट depending on the insurance policy. Some of the day care surgeries are payable according to the terms and conditions. So for that you need to go to the group mediclaim policy circular and then read those details. How can I download Vital Health Insurance TPA card soft copy, that is e-card? Friends, you can log into their account or can download e-card by calling their call center number. Friends, in case you need a video on how to download e-card, then just comment. I will make a video on how to download the e-card with respect to the इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी और द थर्ड पार्टी एग्रीमेंट. सो आई होप दिस वीडियो वॉज यूजफुल टू यू. अगर आपको मेरा ये इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगा तो देन प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स. ऑल्सो सिंस द सिचुएशन इज़ वेरी critical, please do take good care of yourself, take all the precautionary measures and wish you all the best. Thank you for watching the video.